Hello guys, welcome back. Brand new day, brand new week, new opportunities. As we do, let's dive in. Now, today, let's start with the news. We see what's happening. Okay, today is the first of the month. We have Euro all day, as you can see. We have Germany playing CPI that will run all day. So any pairs, USD, Euro USD, Euro AUD, Euro card, you watch out because today it might spike. Okay, it might move quite a bit. And then later in the evening, we have ISM manufacturing PMI that will come out around 5 in the evening. This one will move this week. It has a lot of releases. USD is packed this whole week, so watch out. Now, as you have seen that DXY, if we do check on the daily so we can know what to happen, it's selling. Remember, I told you guys it has gotten to a block here. Okay, here, let me put my magnet, and then it rejected. Now it's heading to the downside, so there's a possibility it will do something like this. Okay, hit there, come test to the wick, and then head down here. So you can watch out for something like that. But remember, the DXY is about the strength against the dollar, other currencies. So news from other currencies may make this slow. Okay, so if we are watching for something like that, we can also see the 15 minute, the 4 hour. Sorry, the 4 hour shows that there's a resistance down here that we need to watch out for, but not quite strong. Yeah, it's not quite strong. The strong one is down here. Okay, although it has been broken, it's down there. This has been tested. The biggest is down here, but I don't think it will get to that point. But right now we're watching for it to come down here. If you are watching for it to come down there, and the 15 minutes shows us that it's still heading down, currently it's buying, but it's still heading down. So if you are watching for it to come down here or here, we're going to do this on the other currencies, our currencies, that is the Euro USD, the GBP USD, gold, let's say. So we start with Euro USD. Euro USD shows us that, okay, if we zoom out, this is a sideways tail. So right now it's rejected this region, which was this block. Okay, although this block is not good because it has been invalidated. There's no good order block down here. Okay, so we see. I think the good one, not good because even this has been invalidated. But now let's work with what you can see. Now this has reacted with this resistance area. Let's not call it a block, we can call it a resistance area, which is this. Okay, shoot. Okay, that's the resistance area because that's where buyers got in and pushed this market to the top. Now it has reacted with that, and we are hoping, or I am hoping, that it will head all the way to the top here. So if I'm waiting for it to head all the way to the top here. Right now it has broken a structure here. Okay, now if it has broken on a daily, this structure, we are waiting for it to come test this border, our border of the block. We are waiting for it to test this border, and then we can head up. So we are waiting to see something with a wick, and this is nice because it's coming down. Now we are waiting to see something like this. Okay, not for it to go all the way, dive in to things we cannot understand. We are waiting for it to reject with a wick. Remember last week when I told you guys, if you checked my video for Thursday or Friday then morning, I told you guys to wait for it to reject with a wick. This thing hit our TP. It was down here. It hit our TP. Now, you are waiting for it to do something like that so you can head up. And when I get a rejection, for me, even I'm going to put an alert. Okay, yeah, good. Now when it get a rejection of the week, I see a confirmation that is buying. Remember, you can check, this is 1 hour time frame. You can check behind here. It shows that, you see how it rejected and then it headed up. So right now I'm going to put like 2 entries. My first TP1 will be here. Let me show you what I'm going to do. Okay, this is final TP there. Okay, my sell is here. Okay, that's a ratio of, yeah, I'm getting 119, losing 68 shillings. That's not quite good, so don't like that. So I'm gonna tighten it to something like that. But remember, we have CPI all day today. Okay, we have CPI all day today, so there might be some movement. It might even pass our zone where we want it to reject with a wick. It might pass and go inside. Now we cannot be afraid of anything, but do our best. So I don't like this. Let me change that. Okay, now jungle green is amazing for me. Now this, yeah, jungle green, yeah. Now the other TP will be here. Okay, and I think this one I need to change to that. Yeah, just a minute, so you can see this. Okay, yeah, this is fine. So that's what I'll be waiting for. Okay, this is my TP1, this is my TP2. Once it gives me my alert, if we do check on the 15 minutes what's happening, you see it's coming down. We're waiting for it to reject with a wick, then you can head up. Okay, now that's Euro USD. What about GBP USD? Here it comes. Okay, GBP USD, it's been on a sideways, same as Euro USD. It's been going on a sideways. Okay, now if we check what's happening today it opened with a buying. This is 3 days in a row. 2 days it was heading up. This one is almost indecisive, but it's heading up. But now it's also continuing up. Okay, so on the 4 hour, you see, on the 4 hour it's heading up. This is amazing. So we're expecting it to, but remember it's on a sell. Okay, this pattern shows us that it wants to sell. Okay, but we cannot sell where it is right now. We have to check a point. You see, the best place we can sell. Okay, although it's showing us that we can sell, for me that's not the best point for a sell. The best point for a sell for me would be this here. This is the best one for me. That's the best. Okay, so I would put an alert here. Okay, yes, and let's put our position. Our position will start there with the sell there. Yeah, our TP will be here. Okay, that's our TP2. Our TP1 will be, okay, let's tighten this. Don't want to make our charts look too cloudy. Okay, our TP1, get out there. That's amazing, guys. Okay, because this first one we are losing that 5 bob, we're getting 700. That's amazing. And our second one we are losing 50 shillings and we're getting 914. That's amazing. That's great. A lot. That's good entry. But we need to check. We really need to check what will happen, because remember, we are not movers of the market. They can break, they can change everything and continue heading up. Okay, so that is what I'll be checking for. Okay, that's what I'll be checking for. Now if we do check gold, okay, gold on a daily, it has shown us that it wants to sell. This was Friday. It made a pattern for a sell, although this is an engulfing. Okay, this is an engulfing candle, so I'm expecting it to come all the way to the top here. Now it's showing us that it wants to sell. Okay, so if it wants to sell, and currently it has opened with a sell on the daily, let's see what the 4 hour tells us. The 4 hour shows us that it opened with a sell and it wants to sell for the second time, but unless it breaks this, where it reached last time, because it broke a structure here. Remember that it broke a structure here. Okay, so I'm expecting it to buy all the way to the top here, 2365, 2355. That's my area. So I'll be watching for buys for myself, which is starting with first confirmation. My confirmation is it doesn't break this 2018 to 2022 area. If it breaks this and it surpasses the 2015 area, then that is invalid. We're down for a sell. But if it doesn't pass this area, 2015 is our line. If it doesn't pass that, we are waiting for a buy. Okay, now if we are waiting for a buy, we can put an alert. That's no, that one. Okay, let's see. Let's go back to 4 hour and check. 4 hour, this is 2307. 2307, we can put an alert there, but no, that's not a good one for me. So yeah, can put this. Okay, because why am I putting that? You see this area, it rejected, headed up, came, rejected, headed up, and this is on a 4 hour. Remember, higher time frames hold key. Okay, although this is very close to our daily low, not our daily, our last low, it can be invalid. It can break to go to this low and up from here, which has several rejections. You just need to wait and see. But for me, 2015, I'll be waiting for sales, and here I'll wait for a very good confirmation on my side before I can enter anything. Now on a 1 hour, right now it shows us it's selling. Okay, I'm waiting for it to surpass here so I can buy, to reject, not surpass, reject this region so I can buy. So if it rejects this region, I'll buy all the way to 2365, 2355 area. Probably my TPA I'll put 23.57. That's my TP2. TP1 I can put around 23.45. Okay, but I'll have to wait and see what will happen, because if you just get in without confirmation, like gold right now, it's not giving me a confirmation, not a good sell, not a good buy. So I'll just wait and see what will happen. Remember guys, we don't force entries, we wait for confirmations. Once you've gotten the confirmation, then you can get in. Without that, do not get in guys, because the market will always be there and you don't want to lose money. You're here to make money, not to lose money. So that's it for today guys. I hope you have earned something, you have gotten something. Until next time, cheers.